Dosuggest.
Try to transfer on Kuda. Here is big sure I got it. Kuda is a microfinance bank mobile app that enables users to save money, send money, borrow money, and do a lot of your online transaction, your online internet banking safely and conveniently at zero fee charges. So recently there is an issue with Kuda Bank that Kuda Bank is now having a network issue or a system problem. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Kuda Bank alternatives and how to solve the issue with your Kuda Bank if you already have a Kuda Bank app. So have you been trying to make transaction recently on Kuda Bank and discovered that the transaction is failed, or Kuda app is telling you that service is currently not available? Here's what you should do. So, but before we go, let's me give a try of it again. So I'm going to do a test sending 100 naira to my first bank account. So to make payment on Kuda, simply go to the mobile app or log into the app again so you see it. So this is the Kuda Bank app. I open it and I go to pay. The pay session is where you go to send money, buy it and pay bills, shop with gift card, cardless payments, and that's more. So I'm going to send to my first bank account, which I'm using send to bank account, and I'll impute. Select the bank I'm sending to, First Bank of Nigeria. Then enter my account number 31233168887. So you can see that Kuda Bank have issue lately. So I cannot even enter the account number. Before this video, I tested this process out and I could able to get the account number I want. But now the service, sorry, we could not make this happen at the moment. So Kuda is really having a serious issue. So with that being said, let me list out some Kuda Bank alternative you should start using now. So Kuda network today have issue. So what is wrong with Kuda Bank? Kuda Bank is a mobile app available both on Android user and on Google Play Store. If we should go to Play Store and see the number of downloads, installed app that Kuda Bank have, the number of users that Kuda Bank have, so that we know further that people are also using it on the web. But let's just see the Google Play Store number of users. So uh, Kuda Bank mobile app have about 5 million plus download on Google Play Store alone, and it's business owned by Kuda Technologies Limited. So furthermore, Kuda Bank has demand for the POS and other functionality of the Kuda app. So you can send money to anyone across Nigeria, both in other countries, send money easily, save as you spend. Kuda can help you to save as you spend on a certain amount of the money you want to save. Go your way to investment. You can actually say get buy stock, US stock from Kuda app, from your Kuda app, basically with your Kuda debit card. Kuda can also issue you an ATM card that you can use to pay from any POS point. So far, by the end of this video, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to drop Kuda Bank customer care email address and contact details. So stick around till the end of this video. So Kuda have around 5 million people using the Kuda app and have some good review recently. But today, we don't know what is wrong with Kuda Bank, and now you have to find Kuda Bank branches in Nigeria, which I'm about to list to you now. So Kuda Bank branch, one of Kuda Bank branches is in Lagos.
Dosuggest.
So I'm trying to see if the network is still good now on Kuda Bank, or they have Kuda Bank issues persisting because started since yesterday. Kuda Bank branches. So due to this issue, a lot of people have asked if Kuda Bank is a scam. Wow, the name I try to sort out appears now. So it's showing my name. So I'll proceed by trying to send money to my first bank account. So I'll put as low as 100 just to, this is for test. Please know that this is a test transfer. So let me just send and I will input my PIN. So I have to pause this video and input my PIN. So you can see it says sorry, we could not complete this transaction. So today in Kuda Bank app, you cannot make any successful transaction. And this issue is like a global note. Even other apps are also having similar issue. But Kuda that was kind of trusted and all of that has this melodic issue like this. So in case you want to cause fight, you want to go and fight Kuda, let me just make mention of some of their branches in Nigeria. So Kuda Bank branches in Nigeria, contact details. So if you want to contact Kuda customer support, you can just email them at help@kuda.com or visit their website at kudabank.com. Kuda bank contact details as follow for phone number calls is the Nigerian phone number is +234 906 326 4246. So that is the Kuda bank. I will call it again. That is the Kuda bank phone number +234 906 326 4246. So I'm going to list the Kuda bank address in Nigeria. So we have one at Lagos. There's a Kuda bank address in Lagos in Nigeria. So it is located at Mori House 151 Herbert Macaulay Way, Yaba in Lagos, Nigeria. So I repeat again, Kuda has their branch in Lagos and it's one of the component headquarter of office of Kuda Bank. As a digital bank being licensed by CBN, they have to have a physical office. So their head office of Kuda Bank address, there's a Kuda Bank address in Lagos, Nigeria.
Dosuggest.